Hi, I'm Nicholas Goh. Welcome to another episode with me. Today, I'll be talking about operations. Okay, most people already know the normal operations. Normally, you just say plus, minus, times, and divide, right? Okay, a lot of students don't know that there are a lot of other words you can use for these four operations. For example, plus can also be called add, or addition, or sum. Okay, you have the sum of two different numbers. You can also say increase. Okay, to increase by a certain amount. So these are all the different ways you can say plus, and there are actually a lot of other words that might be used. Okay, for minus, what is another word that can be used for minus would be maybe subtraction, subtract, or subtraction. Okay, or the difference of two numbers. So if you have a difference between 5 and 10, the difference between 5 and 10 is 5, right? And like increase, I can also have an amount being decreased, okay? To decrease by 5. Okay, so you can see there are a lot of different ways, a test or an examination can ask you for just even the simplest of words. How about times? Okay, another way they can say times is product. The product of 2 and 3 is 6. Of, product of, having several groups of, okay, so having groups of 5. 2 groups of 5 is 10. And in a similar vein, divide is usually thought of as a fraction, right? So you have it as over. 10 over 2 is 5. Okay, so or separated into groups of to make equal groups of. Okay, or for those who have done several long division, we might see it as our quotient. Okay, as you can tell, even our basic operations, plus, minus, times, divide, we can say it in many different ways. Okay, so for the next episode, I'll be talking about prime factors and how to calculate our highest common factor and lowest common multiple. Thank you.